Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. A right-angled triangle has the dimensions shown. Find the length of the side labelled x. And we've been given a triangle with a height of 6 centimetres, a hypotenuse of 8 centimetres, and a base labelled x. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Your support helps us to grow this channel. There are two common methods for finding the missing length of one side of a right-angled triangle. Those methods are Pythagoras' theorem and trigonometry. Pythagoras' theorem is usually used when we know the length of two sides of the triangle and want to find the third, while trigonometry is generally used when we know the length of one side and one angle and need to find the length of another side, or we know the length of two sides and need to find the size of an angle. For this question, we are told the lengths of two sides and we need to find the length of a third. Therefore, we need to use Pythagoras' theorem. Pythagoras' theorem states that for a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Mathematically, we express that as a squared plus b squared equal to h squared, where the two short sides are a and b, and the hypotenuse, which is the longest side opposite the right angle, is h. So let's write down the rule. A squared plus b squared equal to h squared. And label our two short sides, A for 6 centimetres, B for the side marked X, and the hypotenuse H. Next, we need to substitute our values into the rule such that 6 squared plus x squared is equal to 8 squared. That simplifies to give us 36 plus x squared equal to 64. We need to isolate x to find its value. So let's subtract 36 from both sides. That gives us x squared equal to 64 minus 36, which simplifies to give us x squared equal to 28. Now let's use a calculator to find the numerical answer. The square root of 28 is 5.3 centimetres, rounded to 1 decimal place. So the answer to this question is 5.3 centimetres to 1 decimal place. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.